What's up guys, this is Wajahat Ahmed and I'm here again with my new video. In today's video I'll show you how you can remove the scratch from your car body without damaging your paint. So as you can see that I'm having a huge scratch on my car body, and it's pretty much visible. So how we can remove it? First of all, you need piece of cloth, Colgate or toothpaste, any toothpaste you can use. In this case I'm using Colgate, and also you need piece of cloth or tissue paper. I'm using tissue paper for this purpose. The next step you will have to do is put some toothpaste on the piece of cloth, just like I'm doing here. Just put a little bit amount of toothpaste as per your needs. As you can see that okay, just a little bit amount. So what you have to do next is cover all of your scratch with this toothpaste mixture and rub it gently all over your scratch, and like I'm doing here, and rub it carefully. The next step you'll have to do is put some water on it and wash the paste with the water. And that's it. As you can see that scratch is now hidden and you can't see the scratch from this side, and it's pretty much disappeared, but it is not a permanent solution, it's a temporary solution. So but it will hide your scratch for a day or two, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe.